Okay guys, welcome back to How Choose channel. If you are in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your recently watched reels on Instagram. Before that, please guys, click the subscribe please and like. So let's go to our Instagram. So you're going to search your Instagram, and this is it. Click on your Instagram here now, and this is it. Okay, so these are the ways. So this is it. So now if I wanted to okay, you come to here, this is your wheels here, and these are
10
seats.
times you should be.
You can see these are
Never
weights, you
post on
can see. So now, this wheel now I found this really very interesting, and I wanted to see its back. Okay, you can see. Wow, so what we're going to do. Just if you haven't watched it for long, you can just scroll down back, and this is it. You can find it. This is it. Let me see where is it. Okay, this is it. This is the way. Yeah, you can just scroll back a little more if you do not find that way. Upload says another way. If the ways the watch has been longer for a week or for some 2 weeks, so this is what you're going to do. Or just click on the so now you go back here now, and then you click on this your profile button here. Then you click on this three menu button, and you click on your activity here. Let's see. Click on your activities here. Sorry. Okay guys, so you're going to come here, click on this three menu button here, and you click on okay guys, let's see. This is what you're going to do. Click on, let's go back, and you click on this more number 2. Then you click on this profile. Click on this. Okay, sorry.